Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FreshBooks for freelance invoicing, full guide step by step clearly.
Open your FreshBooks account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the settings option in the lower left corner.
Select Business Profile from the settings menu. Fill in your business name, address, and other relevant information. Next, click on Invoices within the settings menu. Choose your invoice customization options. Upload your logo to enhance your branding. Select your preferred color scheme and fonts. Save your changes. Now, go to the Clients section on the dashboard. Click on Add Client to create a new client profile. Enter the client's name and contact information. You can also add notes for future reference. Save the client details. Return to the dashboard and select Invoices. Click on Create Invoice to draft a new invoice. Choose the client from the drop-down menu. Set the invoice date and due date. Add your products or services by clicking Add a line item. Enter descriptions, quantity, and rates for each item. Make sure to review the totals at the bottom. You can apply discounts if necessary. Once satisfied, click on Save Draft to review later. If you're ready to send, click on Send Invoice. Verify the client's email address is correct. Include a personalized message if desired. Click Send to deliver the invoice. To track payments, return to the Invoice section. Look for payment status indicators on the invoices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.